Unit 11. Buying a phone. Hey, Michelle.
Hi, Al. Hi, Bob.
Hi, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. Hey, Al. Are those new shoes?
Why, yes, they are. Thank you for noticing.
Al got a new pair of shoes, and I'm going to get a new mobile phone today.
Huh? Well, you've come to the right place. Have you ever had a mobile phone before?
No, this will be my first phone.
Don't worry, it's easy. May I ask, why do you want a phone?
Oh, because Al won't let me borrow his anymore.
That's a good reason. Why else?
Well, everybody else seems to have a mobile phone. Maybe I should have one too.
That's another good reason. So, what features would you like?
A loud ringtone like Take it easy. Right, thanks. And it should vibrate.
I recommend this one.
This one? Great, thanks. I'll take it.
Great.
Hey, Al, do you like my new phone?
Al, is something wrong?